golden kiss. Streets still quiet, the sea whispers bliss. Olivia walks, the waves keep time, her footsteps dancing in a summer rhyme. This is beach walk with Olivia, light and free. A melody born where stone meets sea. Every breeze a chorus, every tide a song. The Adriatic hums and we walk along. Palm trees sway on the river bright, cafes glowing in the soft sunlight. Fishermen call their boats set to glide. Olivia smiles with the ocean at her side. Margin Hill rises green and tall, its trails inviting, its pines a call. Below the harbor sparkles blue, a city of history it always knew. Come walk with Olivia, let your spirit flow through streets of Diocletian, where stories grow. From Roman walls to Market Sweet, every corner sings beneath your feet. Ooh, ice cream melting in hands, sun umbrellas on sands. Tourists laugh, the cicadas sing, the rhythm of summer in everything. The bell tower chimes, the seagulls fly, split life slowly beneath the sky. Olivia's voice is soft in the air, her walk is the song you long to hear. So take a step, let worries fade, here the best of memories are made. This is beach walk with Olivia's rhyme, a gentle journey outside of time.
Да? Супер.
Pa on nama priča svoj sektor, ne pa to je smiješno.
Jaj.
Ja yok bir şey bro, I'm doing great now. Only yani ya.
Small patch.